Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today I'll be sharing Eid Mehndi design for girls ideas that will make your hands look stylish and festive this Eid. Whether you prefer simple, elegant patterns or intricate, detailed designs, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Segment 1. Minimalist Mehndi Design. Let's begin with a minimal yet trendy Mehndi design. This pattern features delicate vines, tiny flowers, and soft swirls, perfect for those who love a classy and subtle look. Segment 2. Arabic-style Mehndi design. Arabic Mehndi is always in style. This flowy and bold design with paisleys, floral patterns, and leafy trails is perfect for girls who want a modern yet traditional touch. Segment 3. Chand Mehndi for Eid. Eid is incomplete without a beautiful Chand Mehndi design. This pattern includes a crescent moon on the palm, stars, and intricate details that symbolize the beauty of Eid celebrations. Segment 4. Finger Mehndi Design. If you love stylish finger Mehndi, this design is for you. Featuring delicate rings, dots, and floral accents, it's perfect for girls who prefer a chic and trendy look. Segment 5. Full Hand Mehndi Design. For those who love detailed Mehndi, this full hand design includes paisleys, florals, mandala patterns, and fine detailing, making it an elegant choice for Eid. Which Eid Mehndi design for girls was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.